In first year, it's important to choose good books to secure great marks and read books that are important for NEET PG. So, in MBBS, there are two kinds of books. Number one, that helps you clear your exam. It helps you clear PCTs, profs, as well as semester, the final exams of the college. Number two, that helps you clear your concepts and is important for your future and which will help you study better for NEET PG. So stay tuned in this video because I'm going to tell you which book to study, how and when. So first, let's clarify and understand what are the types of books in the category number 1 and in the category number 2. As first year is the base and will help you further in your second and third year and in MBS as well as in your PGs, it will help you. The first year of MBBS college has 3 subjects, that is anatomy, biochemistry and physiology. We'll talk about one by one in which subject which book is important and which book comes in which category. So let's first talk about anatomy. So the books that come in category number 1 is BDC Chaurasia that everybody loves and knows about. So this book kind of will help you clear your exams as well as kind of also clear your concept because it will be best अगर आप starting में anatomy you will study like from this book as it is a small book and you'll be able to understand as it has an easier language to understand. So in the starting as you are new to MBBS, it will help you. So BDC Chaurasia comes in category number 1 that help you clear your college exams. So what are the books that come in category number 2 that are important for NEET PG and the concept? So in category number 2 of anatomy, Gray's Anatomy, a book that is important to get your concepts ahead of others as everybody will be studying BDC Chaurasia. But if you study Gray's Anatomy, your concept will be a little higher as the number of pictures that are there are very advanced to be honest, so you can learn more. But in the end, I will say you ki in the starting, remember to read BDC Chaurasia because that's an easy language to be honest. But later on, when you are done with the BDC Chaurasia, definitely go for Gray's Anatomy. But don't go in the starting for studying Gray's Anatomy as your mind will be puzzled ki it's a very difficult language book. So you won't be easily able to understand in the starting. So in the starting, definitely go for BDC Chaurasia and later on, go for Gray's Anatomy. Now, let's talk about biochemistry. So, biochemistry is a love-hate subject to be honest. Sometimes you love it and sometimes you hate it. So, let's talk about the books in the number 1 category. So, the book in the number 1 category of biochemistry is Satyanarayan. It is an easy book, easy language and you'll be able to understand biochemistry easily. In that book, the basic level, it starts from the basic level, slowly it gives you the higher level. So the book in the second category of biochemistry will be Vasudevan. So as this book won't be telling you from the base, it will start you from little higher and reach you more higher than the Satyanarayan. So that is why it will clear your concept and help you NEET PG. So what I did in the biochemistry was from the starting I studied Vasudevan rather than Satyanarayan. So it was easier for me to remember the concept and understand biochemistry as an overall because in biochemistry every book to be honest is in number 1 category as well as number 2 category, but I would suggest to go for Vasudevan and from the starting clear your concepts. So let's talk about physiology now. Physiology is the most lovable subject of first year, every first year MBBS student to be honest. So the book in the number 1 category of physiology is A.K. Jain. A.K. Jain language is very easy for any student and it clears your base to be honest. As you're able to understand from the starting, it tells you as a story. So you're able to understand more and clear your concepts more. The book in the second category of physiology is Guyton and Gannon. Guyton and Gannon are both good books. I chose Guyton. But you can choose between you what you want to choose because some things are good in Guyton and some things are good in Gannon. So it depends upon you which you want to choose. I chose Guyton, so I'm telling you before. From the starting, I read A.K. Jain for my exams, but later on, I studied Guyton when I had free time. So it's up to you which book to study. But remember, if you're studying physiology, from the starting, read A.K. Jain as it will clear your concepts in the starting because in starting you don't know what to study and you want an easier book to understand first year MBBS college. And later on when you have gap between the exam and you're free, then study the Guyton or the Gannon book, whichever you choose. So overall, if you see, remember to start with the category number 1 to make you easily understand the things that are there in first year subjects. Later on, when you have free time, definitely go for books in the category number 2. Don't forget to read the books in the category number 2, thinking like I have done the category number 1 books and I don't want to do the category number 2 books, because category number 2 books are important for your future, as it will clear your concepts more and more for your NEET PG and your subject that will be coming in your second, third, and fourth year. Remember to read number 1 category books in the starting of MBBS and category number 2 as soon as you get stable in your first year of MBBS college. Because these books are the most important book that your teacher will guide you to study. These books your teachers never tell you to study, because teachers want us to study the more books that will help you for NEET PG as well as clear your concept. But these books are said by the seniors to clear your exams, to clear your profs, so that you can get good rank in your college and secure better marks. Better marks for this category number 1 and better concept category number 2. So when I entered MBBS college first year, for 3 months I was confused which book to choose and which not to. My 3 months were in a waste because I was not able to decide the books. So I hope this video helped you, and please like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because whenever you do so, I feel motivated.